If you're looking for a way to get in your greens with a twist on an Irish recipe, then you're going to love Colcannon potatoes. Creamy, buttery, and a hint of roasted garlic for a side bursting with flavor. But beware, these special spuds could just steal the spotlight from your main dish. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Peel and cube 3 pounds of your favorite potatoes. Yukon Golds are typically preferred for mashed potatoes. Place them in a big bowl of cold water so that they don't turn brown. To a Dutch oven of 6 cups of boiling water, carefully add your potatoes. I find that a skimmer works really well for this. Season the water with salt and allow it to boil for 15 minutes or until fork tender. To a large skillet over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add 3 to 4 cups of fresh spinach. Give it a toss to coat in the oil. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped scallions, a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh black pepper, and give things a toss. When the spinach is almost wilted, add 1 head of roasted garlic. You can find my tutorial in the description box. Mix the garlic in until it's incorporated and then pull it off the heat. You want wilted, not mushy. The potatoes should now be fork tender, so drain them and grab a large bowl for mixing. Add a 1/4 cup of organic salted butter to the potatoes, 1/2 cup of milk, and anywhere from a 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt. Whip it with a mixer until they're smooth, and then add the spinach, folding it in. Transfer to a serving bowl if you're taking it to the table. Season with salt and a little fresh black pepper, and don't forget to add a generous tablespoon of butter in the middle. Melty. Colcannon potatoes can be made many different ways, but this one is one of my favorites. The roasted garlic and scallions give a wonderful burst of flavor to the greens, and you can go traditional and use cabbage or kale as well. We're personally not fans, so this is our way of still getting in the Irish spirit. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.